It's been a little while,
Sorry,
but
guys.
I'm back. We're cleaning under the bed.
Alright, guys.
Obviously, you
You
listen.
guys know the
junk,
rotation positions, right?
And right here, there we go.
Guys.
Oh, I want to adjust
Okay,
the height.
So, just call it like 1,
I do
2,
not know
3.
how
Like,
high this is gonna go.
3 is bad.
A new belt would probably suit it, but as a video, hopefully you all enjoy that. Thanks for watching.